Hey guys, right, welcome to the channel. Right, I haven't been on the caravan for about 3 weeks now. Just had a lot on, all the weather's been horrible. Anyway, I'll just show you, I've put a new latch on. You can see I've put this new latch on here. So you can actually lock it. I put 2 locks on there because I didn't know where to put the other one. But when we're sleeping, we can actually lock it. Shut there like that. And no one can lock us in. So I'll just show you what we've done. I've done a few little mods in here. Alright, let me get set up. I've got to pop the roof. You can see I've got to pop the roof. I haven't been on the caravan for a while. And then we'll come in and have a look and I'll show you what we're going to do next. Alright, I'm in. I've got the top popped up. This is the area we're going to concentrate on today. I don't know if we're going to get it finished, but we're going to start there. So I'll show you what I've already done. We've bought these. So I think we're going to get another one of them and put it there. So they fit perfectly there, and I'll put a little rail thing on and you can just pull them out. So there'll be more storage. I have fitted fire extinguisher there, and there's a new chair. So that is the colour, and that's screwed down there. So that's a real comfy chair, that one. So I've got a chair there, but what we're going to do is put this battery. We've got this lithium battery here. Hang on, I'll put you on the stand. Right, so this lithium battery is going to go here. So this is a 200 amp hour lithium battery, and that's what's going to power the fridge, the TV and everything. So that, get an idea where that is. So the battery fits in there. I might even use that as a base. Yet, so we don't know. Right, so I've grabbed you again, sorry. Right, there you can see the battery can fit in there really good. I'm just going to get a template, cardboard template. So essentially we're going to have a little dicky seat, probably the same height as this one, about here. So we can take that off and get at the battery and all the electricals. And then what we're going to do is build a cabinet right up to here. So it'd be right from there, right to there. So when my wife's sleeping there, she'll have a phone charger, a drink bottle, and whatever, a little nook cupboard there. So this will be like a bit of a cupboard. Anyway, I'll go get some cardboard and we'll get into this and then we can see what we're doing. Sometimes when you can't think of stuff, I always get cardboard and just chop it out and just see what you're doing. And then you can make a decision on, oh yeah, I want that there, I want that there. So we'll get into that. Alright, so here's our bit of cardboard. I've cut it the right height. Out there. So this is just a roughie when it's not going to be exact. I'm going to pair of scissors here to mark stuff with. So what we're going to do is what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make all this without you seeing, because it's a little bit time consuming and a bit of mucking around. So once I get it all marked out, we'll cut out the boards and we'll sit them in there. I'll show you that next. Righto guys, I've had enough for today. This is enough for this video. It's just getting warm now. But there it is there. It's just a basic shelf. So what we're going to do is later on you can see the battery will go there. So I'm going to do a framework. And we'll do like a seat lid sort of thing there. If you haven't tried this, but I want to show you something. I'm going to use this door, and that's going to be the front of the box, like that, and we'll probably paint that white. So that'll be that. Might have to cut it down, but anyway, there's going to be a frame. That's going to be the front, and the battery will drop in there, and then we'll do the electrical. But anyway, we got the shelf in. So what we're going to do is I bought these little suckers. So these would be nice little handy things you can just put maybe your socks or your jocks, I don't know, whatever clothes she wants to put in there. Little space in there, and we'll do a little elastic thing across here. And I also got these. So I've sort of made it so they sort of push in a little bit tight. And once the weight goes down, they'll lock in. And I think she'll love that. But we'll see. We'll see once she what do you think? So there's our storage for her clothes and that. She can do whatever she wants there. I did buy 3 more of them, and I think we'll put them there. Those ones. And I'll put another thing across there. If she doesn't like that, we can just put them in there to make it match. I don't know, what do you reckon? Don't know. It doesn't matter, you've got an option. So we can always do something different with that. And maybe stick with that as the storage. Alright guys, what do you think? It's not as nice as I thought I'd want it to be, but the thing is, it's solid wood, it's pretty heavy. I didn't really want to go heavy stuff, but I still want to match the desk, the top. I don't really want to put a door or anything on it now, looking at it. So anyway, that's that bit done. We'll do the battery next episode, and then once all that's done, I'm going to try and do a little dicky seat there, the same material as that, if I can find it. Otherwise, if we can't find that material, we will reupholster the seat and do that so it matches. Alright, there you go. Look at that. There's enough storage there for your clothes and everything. Just don't forget, that is the food. So this is not food, this is clothes. And Nick and I don't usually hang our clothes up, we always fold them. Alright guys, hope you like that. I'll catch you later. See you next time.